Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're doing something pretty specific for anyone designing those huge, complex video systems.
Right.
We're looking at a common problem. How do you get more 4K inputs into a chassis without, breaking the whole
A
system?
very real problem.
So we're diving into this one piece of hardware that aims to solve it. It's the tvONE CM-HDMI-4K-X-2IN CORIOmodule.
It's a key component.
Okay, so let's unpack this. It's an input module for the CORIOmatrix systems. Sells for about $1,545. Our mission is to figure out why this little two-port card is so important.
I think the best way to visualize it is think of the main chassis, the CORIOmatrix, as a big customizable Lego base plate.
Okay, yeah.
This module, this is a very specific, very powerful Lego brick you snap in to add that 4K input capability right where you need it.
A specialized brick. I like that. So it's a dual HDMI input module, but this is where it gets really interesting for me. It handles 4K video in two totally different ways.
It does.
Why? What's the thinking there?
Well, that's the architectural genius of the card, really.
Yeah.
It knows a system designer has different needs. So first, it can handle two separate UHD 4K signals at 30 frames per second.
Okay, so that's for density.
Exactly. Perfect for, say, a video wall where you need a lot of 4K sources, but super high frame rate isn't the priority.
And the second mode?
Or you can configure it to handle a single UHD 4K signal at a full 60 frames per second. That's for when you need that smooth motion, that absolute fidelity from one source.
So it's a trade-off right on the card itself, density versus performance.
It is, and it's a strategic one. It's all about managing the bandwidth on the Matrix's internal backbone.
Right, because that's the bottleneck. Now, speaking of compatibility, the specs say it uses HDMI Type A, and it's HDCP 1.4 compatible. What does that mean in practice?
That's actually huge.
Yeah.
Being HTTP 1.4 compatible is your guarantee that it will play nice with older protected content sources.
So you avoid those frustrating black screens.
You avoid the headaches. It just means more of your existing gear is going to work without a fight.
And what about the audio? We can't forget that.
No, you can't. It's not just a video card. It handles a clean stereo pair on each input. We're talking a 48 kilohertz sampling rate, 24-bit depth.
Which is a solid professional standard.
It is. It ensures your audio stays perfectly locked with the video, which is critical. No lip sync drift.
And how does it fit into the bigger picture in the CORIOmaster chassis?
Oh, the integration is seamless. You can put this card into any input slot, and you can mix and match it with any other kind of module, DVI, streaming, whatever.
So it's totally flexible.
Completely. And it handles a massive list of resolutions, all the way down from 640p. It's built for adaptability.
Okay, let's bring it back to the value then. This dual 4K input module is $1,545. How does that stack up?
It stacks up very well. I mean, compared to the 4-input 1080p module, the CM-HDMI-X-2IN.
Which costs?
That one is significantly more. It's $2,675.
Wow. So you're paying more for more ports, but at a lower resolution.
Exactly. It shows where the industry is prioritizing efficiency for 4K.
So to sum it up for you, what does this all mean? The CM-HDMI 4K-X-2IN, it's really a smart compromise. It's built to bridge different video standards and give you that high-density 4K input you need.
It is. And that brings up the single most important question you should be asking yourself.
It is.
When you see that $4,545 price for a dual 4K 30 input, and then you see a $2,675 price for a 4-port 1080p card, it forces you to make a choice.
A fundamental design choice.
Yes. For your next project, what's more valuable? Is it pushing the highest possible resolution on fewer inputs, or is it maximizing the sheer number of ports you have available? That trade-off right there dictates everything.